say, bro, how am I gonna reach that? Whew, y'all see it, y'all see it. This is the storage unit where I am putting the stations and mirrors and waiting chairs at until it's time to open. Because right now we're about 3 weeks away from officially being open, which I'm super excited. 3 weeks until this barbershop takes off to the moon. Listen, if you are a barber, we have a few more spots left here at Clipperhands Barbershop. And if you want a spot, whew, I'm out of breath. Hit me up, let me know, let's talk, let's see what we can do. I would love to give y'all the opportunity, as well as y'all be a part of a dope community of barbers that are ready to grow and level up. But 3 weeks away. Listen, YouTube, I know it's been a while since I updated you on the shop. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take y'all to the shop to check it out. So let's go. Lights going down. Boom! Y'all see the light, man. Stop playing. Stop playing. Y'all see where we at, man. Clipperhands Barbershop 2024. We taking over. Taking over, man. Look at this. Look at this. You see me? You see me? You see me? Now see you in here. Let's get you right, man. Come on. All right, y'all. So I had to pick up this video on a different day because that day something happened so I wasn't able to be here. But listen, man, y'all see it. Y'all see it, y'all see it. Y'all saw what it looked like before, right, on YouTube. Because if you've been following me on IG, you've seen what it looked like, you know, step by step. But on YouTube, I haven't posted since I got the space. But as you can see, it is a completely different place. So we got the floors epoxied, we got the lights mounted, the ceiling busted down and painted black. And I remember I walked you guys through what I wanted it to look like, and to see what the idea, like coming into actual reality, is crazy, y'all, because this place is beautiful. The content is going to be beautiful. A big thing that I highlighted when doing this was the lighting, right? I wanted the lighting to be perfect because obviously I record a lot, and my goal is to get the barbers kind of on the same type of time, so to be able to provide an environment where, you know, the lighting is good and everything's going to look good on camera. That was like the #1 thing. But y'all, the first thing I'm in love with is this floor. Come on, y'all see this floor? Glass. So this is epoxy. It's like a resin that hardens up and they put a gloss over it. It is fairly durable. I know over time it's not going to be as shiny, but with the lighting, with the white walls, this looks so dope. So where are we now in the process? So now what we have left is we have the break room floor still that needs to get finished, and we're going to change the lighting as well. We're going to do like a garage style epoxy in there, and then in the bathroom we're going to do that same style epoxy, because I could have did this flooring in the bathroom, but if you're a guy, you already know guys pee all over the floor, and what I didn't want to do is for them to ruin the floor with that, at least, you know what I'm saying? Because this floor was not cheap. If you guys had to guess how much this floor costed me, leave a comment down below and I'm going to tell you who is the most accurate, because it was not cheap, but 10 out of 10 recommend. Definitely worth it. I do feel like it's going to set us apart from a lot of people in the city, which the shop is in, because I know online I posted the floor and everybody was like, man, all barbershops look the same. But if you want to be honest, there's no barbershops in Ohio that look like this. I know the lights are trendy, the floor is trendy, but it just looks so darn good. But I do feel super blessed to be able to be in this spot, in this place. It's definitely taking longer than I wanted it to, because if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I got this place in May. I was hoping it'd be done in about 2 or 3 months, but shoot, now we are in October, and we're not looking to be open until November 1st. So it's coming together. It's looking good, as you can see. So this station here is definitely going to be mine. There's going to be a shampoo bowl here. It'll give me the most room to record content. Then there'll be 5 more on this side, and then 4 over here on this side. All black chairs, and then we're gonna do a waiting chair area here down the middle, which I like because it'll give a little bit more a little bit more of like an inclusive feel, right? So clients will walk in, they don't have to be in the front and all the barbers towards the back. They'll kind of be in the middle of the mix, you know, so they feel kind of part of it. They don't feel, you know, as set apart. They feel part of it really, so it's more comfortable. And then, yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. Eventually, I'm gonna go ahead and mount some TVs up here. But as of now, this is where we're at. We're almost there. We're almost at the finish line. I can see it. We have 3 weeks. We have a fair amount to get done, but I do believe we can do it. Give you a better look at the bathroom. Painted the walls. We're gonna get the ceiling together. And the back here as well. It's the floors. Disconnected the water heater so that way they could actually do the entire floor. One thing I will say is, man, opening a shop, at least if you want it to look nice, is very expensive. And since there is 10 chairs in here, you got to remember, we're buying tens of everything. So $10 trash cans is $100, and $50 trash cans is $500. So you kind of got to play your cards there. And then we bought 10 chairs, 10 stations, you know, the waiting chairs. It just adds up really quick. So for those of you guys who are looking to open up a shop, just know it's an investment. But if you play your cards right and you do it right, you're going to make your money back in no time. And that is my goal. That is what I know I can do. But it's definitely worth it. I just feel super grateful to God to put me in this position, to be able to finally have a space that I can call my barbershop and just bring in barbers and help them grow and get to that next level and where they want to be in life. Because, man, barbering, I swear, is the best vehicle to get you to where you want to be, right? Whether you want to be a barber behind the chair, or whether you want to pivot and do something else, or you want to take barbering to the peak of what it can be. Like, I want all those different goals to come into this shop and have the opportunity to do those things. And I'm excited to be, you know, the owner and assist them in that process, because what barbering has been able to do for me has been such a blessing. But yeah, that is the shop update. As you guys can see, so far right now we have about 3 barbers, potentially 4. So that'll be 5 of us. But like I said, we have 10 chairs in here. So we have 5 more to fill. If everyone I sat down with would have agreed to come, or I have agreed to allow them to come, I would have 9. But one thing I'm learning, as an owner, as people sitting down with other barbers, is, man, barbers can get really scared to take risks and essentially kind of start over. And that's been kind of a learning journey, as a very vulnerable moment. It's been a learning process of trying to give people grace and understanding that they don't know. But it's kind of like a let me help you. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, I know what I have to offer. I know the value I'm able to bring to any barber that comes and joins the team. And I understand that people don't know that. But listen, if you're watching this video and you're thinking about being part of Clipperhands Barbershop, listen, I want to help you reach that level of success, whatever that may look like for you. I would say just as much as you do, right? I want to be able to give you everything that I know, everything that I've learned, and in any way, shape, or form help you to achieve that. You just got to take that risk, got to take that chance, because I took many risks and many chances in my life. And not all of them are good, but all of them teach you something. All of them teach you a lesson that is valuable to your growth. And you don't know until you know. But I'm going to tell you, this is not really much of a risk. I have a system. I have a plan for scaling this barbershop and every barber that comes in here to reach that level of success that they desire. And I want to help you do that. But it's like, let me help you, bro. Let me help you. Don't be scared. Stop being nervous. Take that jump. Take that risk. Trust in your boy. We're going to get you right. But y'all see it, man. It's coming together. Everything I envision, everything I imagine, is coming together. And I'm grateful for the 4 barbers who have committed to joining this team and join me on this journey. And we got 5 more, and all those other 5 people, we're going to get y'all right too. You know what I'm saying? If the space look like this, come on, what you think? You think I'm going to invest all this money in this space and not get it jumping, not get it popping, not getting everybody that comes in here to make money? Like, bro, come on. Come on, I ain't do this for no reason. You know what I'm saying? But no, if you're interested in joining the team, let me know. Let's get y'all right, man. I will say that this is by far the biggest investment that I've ever made in my entire life, right? I've never put this much money into something ever, you know, at least a monetary value into something. This is the biggest investment that I've ever made. right? So I'm gonna put everything, my heart into this, everything that I've learned, all the leadership and mentorship that I've had from amazing people on this journey. I'm taking that and I'm applying it, right? Because I want this to be successful, right? I invest all this money into this for it to just be a barbershop. I invested this to be a barbershop that helps people grow, that helps people elevate, that helps people get to where they want to be. You know, this ain't just a regular barbershop, bro. This is not. It's not gonna be that. It's really not. I found myself early on when I was interviewing people underselling what this place really has to offer. But man, I have the blueprint. I have the system. I know what it takes to make money in this industry, and I want every barber to be able to do that with me. So I'm not overselling. I'm telling y'all exactly what it is. I'm not underselling it no more. This barbershop right here is going to be something special, man. And I'm just super grateful for the people that taught me how to even get into this position, right? Joining the six-figure barber mentorship, right, with Chris Basio and his amazing coaching team that helped me get this. Helped me from the process of scouting a location to signing a letter of intent to signing a lease, negotiating that lease, coming in, finding contractors, right? Planning out the build out of this entire thing, how much money it's going to cost, projecting how much money it's going to make, like all of it is because I chose to invest in a mentorship that has changed my life. So Chris Basio, if you're watching this, I appreciate you, dog. I appreciate everybody a part of the mentorship program. Grateful to be a part of the community and grateful to see where that community continues to grow. But this is a fruit of investing in, you know, a mentorship program and people that are in places that you want to be, right? Because it's important to take those steps, right? If someone is where you want to be, right, and the fruits that they reap of whatever they do is where you want to be, go learn from them, right? If it costs some money, it costs some money. It is what it is. But y'all got to take that step. Just like y'all barbers got to take that step and join Clipperhands Barbershop. It's going to be worth it. Don't miss out. Because when the chairs are filled, the chairs are filled. And that's it. That's it. I don't think this place is going to lose a lot of people. I really don't, because it's going to be a great place to just thrive and grow and be part of the community. I just felt the need to talk my stuff real quick because, you know, I don't like to be like that type of dude, but sometimes it is what it is. I know I have to offer. I know how far I've came, and I know how far I can get people to go. So it just is what it is, man. It is what it is. But, man, I just can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Clipperhands Barbershop coming together. Everything I envisioned for it to be is becoming. Every person that steps into this place will be impacted in a positive way. We're going to take over the city, take over the barber game, and then we're going to open up another shop, then a second shop, then a third shop, then a fourth shop, then a sixth shop, then a 10th shop, then a 20th shop. We're going to take over the barber industry in Ohio, man, and every barber that joins will be successful. I believe it, and y'all going to watch it, all right? But listen, YouTube, I appreciate you guys. All the support, all the love. I would not be able to do stuff like this if it wasn't for y'all. You have been a vital part of my journey. Your support, your constant feedback. I just thank you guys. I want to give you your flowers and thank you guys for all that you have done and joining the journey of the last 6 years on YouTube to now opening up the very first Clipperhands Barbershop. So I appreciate you guys. I'm going to continue to update you on the journey and where this goes. So be on the lookout. But like always, I appreciate y'all. And I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.